So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Chef Junie's TV. Today I got another banging episode for you guys. I know you guys see all the talk going around on the internet about who has the best chicken sandwich. I know Popeyes just came out with their chicken sandwich. Chick-Fil-A got a chicken sandwich. And Wendy'S decided to chime in on their chicken sandwich and saying they claim they got the best chicken sandwich. But today we're gonna compare all three of these and we're gonna figure out amongst us who has the best chicken sandwich, all right? I know this is just my opinion, so if you guys tried these chicken sandwiches, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. And also, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know you're a new subscriber. Hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell because I'm going to constantly put out these bangers. I got a lot of videos this week I'm going to put out for you guys. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with everything I'm doing, all right? First thing we're going to do is compare the prices, all right? Popeyes came in number one at the cheapest. They were $4.39 with tax, right? $4.39 with tax. Chick-Fil-A was at $4.91 with tax, and Wendy's came in last place at almost $6, $5.90 with tax. So we're gonna have to get a price to Popeyes for the first place. So let's go ahead and pull out these chicken sandwiches and see what they're about. So we're gonna pull that one out first. I'll pull out this one. Well, Wendy's is bigger, so, oh no, they look about the same size. So we got Wendy's right there. Then we're gonna have Chick-Fil-A right here. Chick-Fil-A little baby. So, Popeyes come with some type of special red sauce and pickles. I don't like pickles, so we're gonna take these pickles off. Wendy's come with mayo, lettuce, and tomato. And Chick-fil-A come plain with pickles again. But I got some barbecue sauce for that, for the Chick-fil-A sandwich, all right? So let's go ahead and cut these in half and see what we're working with, all right? So for presentation, I'm gonna go with Wendy's because it look a little bit bigger. It come with tomatoes and lettuce. So I'm gonna go with Wendy's for the presentation. Let's go ahead and cut this in half. Cut this in half. Cut this one in half. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this Chick-fil-A sandwich. Look kind of boring, actually. Popeyes. Popeyes look pretty decent, if you ask me. And Wendy's is kind of thin, on the thinner side. But let's go with which one should we go with first? Let's go with Popeyes first. See what Popeyes is about. You know, all these are spicy chicken sandwich. Popeyes is pretty good. The bread it tastes like kind of like a Hawaiian roll, kind of nice and sweet. Pairs perfectly with the spiciness. The traditional crunchiness of Popeyes chicken, which I like. It's not too spicy, but the spice is there. Pretty good. It's pretty decent. Let's go ahead and try Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A sandwiches. Pretty good. The bread is like a basic bread. Nothing too fancy about the bread, but the chicken is nice and seasoned all the way through. It's nice and moist and juicy. It's pretty delicious. It's giving Popeyes a good run for the money. Let's go ahead and try this. Wendy's. Now Wendy's, you automatically lose point because you use this regular mayo. You should have came up with some type of sauce or something for this. So, and that chicken, like I said, the chicken is really thin. So we're gonna go ahead and try this and see what it tastes like. With Wendy's, I already tasted chicken. All I taste is the breading. No real flavor to it. Mayo and breading, that's all I taste. It's real spicy though. This is the most spiciest one, so that's a real spicy chicken, but you can't really taste the chicken. What y'all know about this Sprite Limeade? This is one of my favorite sodas right now. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to try these again because. Sorry, excuse me. I might have to go with it's definitely not Wendy's. Wendy's is definitely in last place. I don't know, guys. This is a tough one. I don't know. Popeyes is definitely bigger than Chick-Fil-A. Got a little fly in here, man. I don't know how the fly got in my house, but Popeyes is definitely bigger than Chick-Fil-A. So I don't know. Let's try Popeyes with the Chick-Fil-A sauce. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna have to go with Popeyes just because of the size of it. It's pretty big. That's what she said. Oh no. See, just the more. Yeah, Popeyes is definitely like winning on as far as size. If y'all can see all three of these, take this lens off. If y'all can see all three of these, Popeyes is definitely winning in the size department. So I'm gonna have to give Popeyes this one. Popeyes definitely won in the size department, but flavor-wise, and I'm still leaning towards Chick-fil-A. Definitely not Wendy's. Wendy's just tastes like bread and spice. Yeah, I ain't rocking with Wendy's. For Wendy's to be the most expensive, the smallest, and less flavorful, That's all bad. Yeah. We ain't rocking with Wendy's. I don't know why Wendy's decided to chime in and voice their opinion. Yeah. Wow, Wendy's is trash. I might just go with I think I'm a dub. I think I'm a dub. Popeyes the winner, y'all. Popeyes is the winner. It's the cheapest. It's the biggest. It has full of flavor. It's not too spicy. It's not full of just the breading on it. The bread is, and actually the actual bread is good. I think I'm gonna go with Popeyes, y'all. Popeyes is the winner. I wasn't expecting it, but Popeyes is definitely the winner. It was a close race though between Popeyes and Chick-Fil-A. My butt gonna be burning later. All the spicy chicken sandwiches. But yeah, I'm gonna give it to Popeyes, you guys. Popeyes is the winner. Tomorrow I'll get my first paycheck from YouTube, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna do another video tomorrow when I get paid. I'm gonna upload that one tomorrow. I don't know if y'all can see this little gnat flying around, but that's just bothering me. I don't know if I can finish this other two halves. Sorry. But I really don't want to eat that one, but I'm gonna finish this half. I'm gonna throw that other half away. That's how nasty compared to these two Wendy's is. I'm about to get the Popeyes, you guys. Pretty darn good. I like barbecue sauce, so this ain't taken away from Popeyes. I just like barbecue sauce. I have another question for you guys. Do you like their condiments like ketchup and barbecue sauce and mustard? Do you like that stuff to be stored in the fridge or in the cabinet? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Do you like your condiments to be stored in the kitchen? I mean in the cabinet or in the fridge? I prefer them in the cabinet because I don't like using cold condiments on hot foods. If I have some French fries, it just came out the grease, and I put cold ketchup on it, that's just disgusting to me. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys like. Popeyes is pretty decent. Wow. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I'm not going to eat that one. This one is pretty nasty, but Popeyes is the winner. Anyways, I'll check y'all next time, alright? And remember, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. And this video cost me about $15 to make. So please make sure you share this video. Watch all the ads so I can make my money back on this video, alright? All these videos cost me money. $15 cost me this video. All you gotta do is share and watch, and I'll make my money back. Anyways, I'll catch y'all next video, alright? Peace.
Whoa, whoa.